There's this scene I saw. There's this pictures. I want to reenact it in Prisma 3d. Okay, so let's check it out. Let me bring in the picture so that I'll start creating the background and everything. Okay, everything I'm going to use entirely just Prisma 3d, and let me see how it will look. I'm going to use this Naruto card. Okay, all right, guys. All right, I have everything I need. I have a cube. Let me duplicate this cube. Okay, create the base. So this is the scene I want to recreate. Okay, something like this. So now let's create the floor. Okay, something like this. Then color it. Something like this. So the floor is done. Okay, let me make it reflective somewhat. Okay, let me use this and see how it looks. I'll bring in the light and see how it looks when I bring in the light. Okay, okay. Maybe make the light to be at night, something like this, and then bring in regular light, not sun. After this, light, point light, something like this. Let's shift this cube away and this one away. Okay, so now the regular light is on. Let's increase the intensity and the range of the light. Let's make it 100. Okay, and reduce the intensity and see what we'll have in our final render. Okay, this is fair. This quality is fair. All right, let's go back. So this is what we'll work with. So let's check the sun. We kept it at 5. So now that is done. Let's bring in the box. Yes. So let's remove this light. This hide this one and remove this one. The skylight is at 5, so we can bring in another one so it can give us a clear view to render to model. All right. So this is the wall this side. Okay. Look at that picture. Let's see what we can do there. Okay. And then we'll divide this modeling rocks. Look cut somewhere what here. And then we'll also do that this way. This way. Apply and extrude that all the way out. All right, so we can have something like this. Okay, and let's go to the picture. What do we see? What do we see? Okay, another box here, box here, box here. Let's make it blocky at this wall. So let's bring a cube, apply, copy this cube. Okay, go back. Copy this cube and bring. First of all, let's color this one the same color with that one, right? So let's see. Okay, something like this. All right, Now let's bring in the block, scale it, bring it to the front, scale it, and put it somewhat there. Okay, and copy it somewhat here, scale it down, just make it look technical. All right, give it a color. All right, scale this. Then copy it, or keep this aside. Copy this, scale it up. All right, and give this its own color. All right, so now we have this so far. All right, so let's duplicate this and cross it, rotate it. I need to cross over, scale it, drag it somewhat here, rotate it a little. Okay, and drag it so that from this view we have this. Okay, okay. Now let me see if I can create this in display. Okay, keep one side. Always keep a duplicate to avoid going back into the model, into the what is it call it, models, to bring in more models to save time. So I duplicate and keep here. So let me see if I can create a net kind of texture with this. That you can download texture. I just want to make every tool here with just everything inside Prisma3d. Okay. So let's go into modeling and cut this as much as we can. Don't know if this will work. So I'll come back, guys. So now I have this. All right. Now what I want to do is select every other box and delete it. Select this, select this, select this, select this. Always jump in one. All right, and I'll see how it looks like. Jump one and delete. You see? Then I'll do it vertically. Or let's go here like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So I'll keep doing this till the end. I'm coming. So I'm done with that. Okay. Okay, I'll make it transparent. Let me go to materials to reduce the transparency, make it change the color. Transparency. Okay. So it will go in here. Like so. Scale it. Copy. Copy. And copy. This way. Okay. So now we have this. Alright, now the sky, because there's a sky in that picture. And buildings. Alright? Buildings. Okay, let me see what I can do. So I have these preset buildings that I have already saved. I just brought them in because I just wanted this to be a quick something I could create, so I don't have that time. Let me use this. Okay, so I don't need this house. Let's delete this and delete this and delete this and just work with this. Okay, so I'll duplicate it, scale it down to the perspective of this. So from his perspective, this looks. So this house, okay, something like this. Alright, copy, go to texture. Okay, copy, copy, copy one. Okay, copy one there. Copy one. So now texture all of them. Alright, so that looks somewhat okay. This environment looks empty. Let me add something here. Copy this, scale it, scale it. And, okay, something like this. All right. So with this, okay, let me color this ash. This goes uh reflection. No, not this reflection. Reflection. All right. So I'm animating the camera, the character right now to make it just quick movement, like uh. So I'm trying to make him to squat down. All right. So I'll drag this character down. All right. Then raise his knees. So I'm freestyling here. I'm working without any reference. So it might look a little. Then yeah. So as I'm moving it, he's marking it automatically here. Okay. So this leg might come backwards. Like this leg backwards. And then the hands will. So let me see other hands. So this is what I have now. At distance, only okay. Let me check something. So this is what I've did so far. So this is the move he made. All right. So I marked his position as 0 seconds, and then three dots in. I made him make a move. So like when I say three dots, like 1, 2, 3, he made a move before 1 second, and then I held it up till 1 second. Then I want to balance him back at three dots in. All right. So I'll now go back to the 0 position and copy all the initial positions. So this I'll copy, left hand side of the screen, copy, and he made the move at here, which I animated, marked him at here. So I will now three dots in, balancing back, paste it here. He balances back. Then I select the shoulder, right hand shoulder, go to 0, copy, then go to 1 second after, three dots after 1 second, 1, 2, 3, and paste it. Alright, and then the same thing for his elbow. So now the same thing for his elbow. I'll do what? Go to 0, copy his elbow, three dots after it, 1, 2, 3, and do what? Paste it. Alright, then his chest, go to 0, copy, three dots after 1 second, 1, 2, 3, and do what? Paste it. Alright, then the hand, the same thing, left hand, copy after 1 second, 1, 2, 3, paste it. The elbow, the same thing, copy, three dots after 1 second, and then I'll do was paste it too. So at the end of the day, if I place, I'll have this bam, bam. All right. So I don't know if I'll add another move, but Let me think of another one. So let's bring in the lights and see how it looks with the camera and everything and see how it looks. So lights, uh, where's the motherfucking light? So this is it, uh, the sunlight. So let me jump out of the camera first. I think if I can see the light template. Alright, I heard light, sunlight, and then jump into the camera and see how it looks. So it's too much. I will scale down the light, jump out of the camera, scale down the light, select light, sky. It's in 12, so I'll reduce it to 5. That was what I did that time. 5, 5. Good. Now, this other light that I minimized, I'll open it up. That I, what is it called? That I locked. I'll hide it. On hide. Jump into the camera and see how it looks. And then we check this out. This is what we have. Okay? And I think I'll render it like this. Or let me jump out of the camera and touch these panels. This. Let me make it more transparent. Alright. At 0.3. 0.3. So each one 0.3. Transparency is 0.3. Select this 0.3. Alright, so let me add the blue. Let me add the blue or yellow light. And let me add the blue light. Let me just make it more. So this light, I will copy it, bring it somewhere here, and change the color to yellow, to red. I mean, and intensity a little lower, or purple. Okay. And then intensity lower. Copy another one here, make it red. So I'm just testing out some things here. Intensity, sorry. Range. Make it 50. And this, make it 50. So through the camera perspective, let's see how it looks like. Okay. Okay, are you seeing? So we have something more. All right. Okay. Let me render it like this. All right. I love it.